Hi students, how are you? Students, if you want to go to one place from another, how do you go? It is a distance place. How do you go? Yeah, you go by bike, car, bus or any other vehicle. In olden ages, how did the people go to one place to another? Do you know how did they go? That time no vehicles, they go by foot. Or foot means they go by walking. Then they found bullock cart. Then they invent wheel. Like that, step by step, the human beings improved themselves and find vehicles. In our GK lesson 12, traveling around, here some inventions are given that happen step by step. We are going to arrange the inventions one by one. All of you take your GK book, page number 19. Look at the book. Traveling around. Given below are some important milestones in the history of travel. Number the milestones alphabetically in order in which they took place. The first has been marked for you as an example. Here we are going to mark the answers alphabetically. First invention A, second B, third C. Like that we are going to arrange. Listen carefully. First one. Answer is given here. The Montgolfier brothers invent hot air balloons. First invention is hot air balloons. Hot air balloons used to take passengers. That hot air balloons were invented by Montgolfier brothers. A. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes are there. The second box is A. Next, look at the fifth one. Look at the fourth one. Robert Fulton built a passenger steamboat. Next, steamboat was invented by Robert Fulton. Robert Fulton invented steamboat. Next one. Number 4, put right inside the box B. B. Right inside the box B. Robert Fulton builds a passenger steamboat. Steamboat means it runs using steam. Third one. Look at the box number 5. Look at the box number 5. George Stephenson invents a steam-powered railroad locomotive. George Stephenson invents a steam-powered railroad locomotive. This railroad locomotive runs on the railways. Who invented? George Stephenson. Put the box number letter C. Put inside the box. Write C. Steamboat runs on steam. This railroad locomotive runs on the railways. Rail. Everyone knows no? Rail. Next, look at the box number 7. Look down. 7. Henry Ford's Motor Company produces the Model T. Model T was produced by Henry Ford's Motor Company. The motor company's name is Henry Ford's Motor Company. It produces the Model T, a car. 1908 was invented in 1908. It is a car. Name is Model T. Right inside the box D. Number 7 D. Right inside the box D. Then Look, number 1. Box number 1. The Wright brothers fly the first airplane using an engine. Who invented airplane? Wright brothers. The first airplane invented by Wright brothers using an engine. Write in the box letter E. The Wright brothers fly the first airplane using an engine. Next. Number 3. Spacecraft Apollo 11 lands astronauts on the moon. Spacecraft Apollo 11 lands astronauts on the moon. Who is an astronaut? One who research, one who study the space is called astronaut. This spacecraft Apollo 11 lands astronauts on the moon. Write inside the box F. Spacecraft Apollo 11 lands astronauts on the moon. F. Next, 6. Look at the box 6. The Segway PT is launched by the inventor Dean Kamen. Dean Kamen invented Segway PT. Segway PT is that Segway PT has 2 wheels. We should stand on the wheel and it move. The Segway PT is launched by the inventor Dean Kamen. Write in the box G. Shall I read once again? The Montgolfier brothers invent hot air balloons. Inside the box, write A. The Montgolfier brothers invent hot air balloons. 4. Robert Fulton Bullseye passenger steamboat. Robert Fulton Bullseye passenger steamboat. Write B there. Next, George Stephenson invents a steam-powered railroad locomotive. George Stephenson invents a steam-powered railroad locomotive. Write there C. D. Henry Ford's Motor Company produces the Model T. Look at the box 7. Henry Ford's Motor Company produces the Model T. Write there D. Then E. First one. The Wright brothers fly the first airplane using an engine. E. First one is E. F. Third one. Spacecraft Apollo 11 lands astronauts on the moon. Third one is F. Then G. Sixth one. The Segway PT is launched by the inventor Dean Kamen. Have you written? Next, look at the yellow box down. Wise Owl says the Airbus A380 is the largest passenger airliner in the world. Which is the largest passenger airliner in the world? The Airbus A380. The Airbus A380 is the largest passenger airliner in the world. Next one. The world's largest container ship is the CSCL Globe. Which is the world's largest container ship? CSCL Globe. The Airbus A380 is the largest passenger airliner in the world. The world's largest container ship is the CSCL Globe. Have you understood? Shall we go to the next lesson? 10. Page number 20. Page number 20. Here, multiplication table is there. You have to study table 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You have to study all the tables here given 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You should study the tables and fill the answer. I am not going to give the answer. You have to study the tables and fill the answers. Are you ready? Everyone should study all the tables up to 9 and fill in the blanks. Next, look at page number 20, yellow box. Wise Owl says, palindrome numbers are numbers that read the same backwards and forward. Palindrome numbers are numbers that read the same backward and forward. Example 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. First I am reading from left to right. 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. I am going to read right to left. 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. Have you understood? Some numeric palindromes with 1 is 1 into 1, 1. 11 into 11, 121. 111 into 111, 12,321. Next, 1,111 into 1,111 equal to 12,34,321. These are also palindromes. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. If we read from left to right or right to left, we will get the same numbers. Have you understood? This page is homework. You should study the tables and fill in the blanks. Have you understood? Study thoroughly the tables. Next lesson. Lesson 14. Page number 21. Write words. Analogies. 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 What is analogies? Listen. An analogy is a common similarity or difference between items. An analogy is a common similarity. Similarity means it resembles same or difference between items. Example, bird is to fly as fish is to swim. Tall is to short as thick is to thin. Thick, thin, tall, short, big, small, black, red. These are called what? Analogies. We are going to choose the correct answer to complete the analogy. Listen, complete the analogies given below by ticking the right word. First one is, green is to go as red is to stop. The traffic signal, we know that the signals know that green, red, yellow. Green is to go and red is to stop. If the signal shows green means we can move, we can go. If the signal shows red means we should stop. Have you understood? Green is to go as red is to stop. Second one, day is to month as minute is to hour. Day is to month as minute is to hour. In the month we count day by day or minute by minute. Third one, word is to sentence as page is to book. Word is to sentence as page is to book. Answer is book. Underline book. Word is to sentence as page is to book. Fourth one, 3 is to triangle as 4 is to triangle has 3 sides, then rectangle has 4 sides. Underline rectangle. 3 is to triangle as 4 is to rectangle. Number 5. Eye is to sight as skin is to touch. Underline touch. Eye is the eye. We can see through eye. Skin, touch. Feeling note that touch. Eye is to touch. Sight as skin is to touch. Underline touch. Then sixth one. Racket is to tennis as stick is to hockey. Racket is to tennis, that tennis bat is racket, and hockey we use stick. Underline hockey. Seventh one, Pacific is to ocean as Himalayas are to, what is Himalayas? Mountain range. Underline mountain range. Pacific is to ocean as Himalayas are to mountain range. Underline mountain range. Eighth one. Tire is to car as wheel is to cart. Tire. In the car, tire is there. In the cart, what is there? Wheel. Tire is to car as wheel is to cart. Ninth one. Finger is to hand as toe is to foot. In the hand we have fingers. In the leg, the toe, the foot we have toe. Foot we have toe and hand we have fingers. Underline foot, F-O-O-T, foot. 10th one. Easy is to difficult as now is to later. Easy, difficult, now, later. Underline later. 11th one. Hot is to warm as cold is to cool. Underline cool. Hot is to warm as cold is to cool. 12th one. Give is to receive as save is to spend. Give, receive. Save, spend. Here opposite. Give, receive, save, spend. Underline spend. 13th one. Scissors are to cut as ruler is to measure. Underline measure. Using scissors we can cut and using ruler we can measure. Underline measure. M-E-A-S-U-R-E. Number 14. Artist is to painting as baker is to cake. Artist do painting and baker do make cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Artist is to painting as baker is to cake. 15th one. Wheel is to circle as pyramid is to. Wheel is circling shape. Pyramid is in. Where is pyramid? Pyramid is in triangle shape. Pyramid, triangle shape. In Egypt pyramids are there. That is in triangle shape. Number 16. Labrador is to dog as emu is. Labrador, dog, animal. Then emu is bird. Labrador is dog as emu is to bird. B-A-R-D, bird. 17th one. Referee is to football as umpire is to cricket. Underline cricket. Referee means referee, that one who controls the game, one who watch, one who supervise the game is called as what? Called as football game is referee and cricket is umpire. In football match, one supervisor or controller, that person watch whether the players play correctly or wrongly. That is referee is to football as umpire is to cricket. 18th one. Right is to road as flow is to flowed. Past tense. What is the past tense of right? Wrote. What is the past tense of flow? Flowed. F-L-O-W-E-D. Flowed. 19th one. Huge is to tiny as frown is to smile. Huge means very big, tiny, small. Huge is to tiny as frown is to smile. Frown means very, very sad. Very, very sad face. Smile, everyone know. Smiling. S-M-I-L, smile. Answer is smile, underline smile. 20th one. Smart is to tramp as flow is to. Here, listen. Smart is to tramp as flow is to. We are going to read the letters. I am going to read smart. S-M-A-R-T, smart. I am going to read the smart reversely. S-T-R-A-M-S, tramps. Understood? smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart. I am going to read from left to right, T-R-A-M-S, trams. Then read flow, flow. From right to left, F-L-O-W. From left to right, left to right, F-L-O-W. From right to left, W-O-L-F, wolf. Have you understood? Smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart, left to right, right to left, T-R-A-M-S. Like that, F-L-O-W, left to right. If I read right to left, W-O-L-F, wolf. Answer is wolf. Underline wolf. 21st, cat is to kitten as lion is to. The young one of a cat is kitten. The young one of a lion is cub. C-U-B, cub. Underline cub. Young one of a cat is kitten. Young one of a lion is cub. C-U-B, cub. Underline. 22nd and last one. Capital letter is beginning as full stop is to end. We start a sentence with the capital letter and end with a full stop. Capital letter is to beginning and full stop is to end. Have you marked correctly? First one answer stop, second one answer or, third one answer book, fourth one answer rectangle, fifth one touch, sixth one hockey, seventh one mountain range, eighth one cot, ninth one foot, 10th one leisure, 11th one cool, 12th one spent, 13th one measure, 14th one cake, 15th one triangle, 16th one bird, 17th one cricket, 18th one float, 19th one smile, 20th wolf, 21st cub, 22nd end. Look at the yellow box. Wise owl says, today English is probably the most widely spoken language in the world. All pilots on international flights identify themselves in English, irrespective of the country they belong to. English used as the common language. If we want to go to other countries also, if we know English, means we can communicate easily with the others. The all the pilots know English, so they can easily converse, they can easily talk with other people. Next one, with over 800 million native speakers, Mandarin Chinese is the most widely spoken native language. In China, Mandarin is the most widely spoken native language. Most of the people in China talk, all around the world and China talk Mandarin. Have you understood? Study the lessons. Lesson 12, 13 and 14. 12th lesson multiplication, you have to 13th lesson multiplication, you have to study the tables, all the tables, table 1 to 9, you have to study, memorize and fill in the blanks. Students, last week we learned something about Kanyakumari tourist places. I explained tourist places in Kanyakumari. Today I am going to explain something about Udayagiri Fort. Children, have you ever visited Udayagiri Fort? Where is Udayagiri Fort? It is in Puliyur-Kurichi near Takkale. It is a fort built in the 17th century. It was built in 17th century and rebuilt in 18th century by Maharaja Marthandavarma of Travancore. Under the supervision of de Lannoy, a Flemish naval commander of the Dutch East India Company. He served as the chief of the Travancore army. This Udayagiri fort is built by Maharaja rebuilt by Maharaja Marthandavarma under the leadership of De Lannoy, a East Indian Company army leader. In this fort, very old fort, there is a park. A park is there. One pond is there. Tree house is there. We can see animals, birds there. Animals means deer, buffalo, and some animals, birds like a swan, peacock, parrots are there, monkey is there, and one tree house is there. We can enjoy that place in a very, it looks like a small forest inside. Lot of trees are there. In that place, that Captain De Lannoy's tomb is also there. His wife and his son's tomb also there. One small chapel is there. This Udaygiri Fort is a tourist place. If you get time, visit there. Very interesting place near our place. When you get a chance, go and visit the place. Thank you.